Dear friends, if you've noticed your legs feeling weaker lately, especially when you first wake up in the morning, you're not alone. This is something that affects millions of seniors across America, and the truth is, 99% of older adults don't understand why this is happening to them. Here's what you need to know. After age 60, you can lose up to 3% of your leg strength every single year, even if you haven't experienced any injuries or major health problems. But here's the good news that will change everything for you. New scientific research shows that you can actually start regaining your leg strength in as little as 12 hours simply by eating the right foods. Yes, you heard that correctly. 12 hours. This isn't wishful thinking or empty promises. This is backed by real science, proven through studies with real seniors just like you, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. The secret to this rapid improvement lies in choosing specific foods that work together to activate better blood flow throughout your legs, reduce harmful inflammation that's been building up in your muscles, and directly fuel those precious muscle fibers that keep you moving. This is especially important in your legs, where blood circulation naturally tends to slow down as we age. Today, we're going to share with you 8 incredibly powerful foods that can help you regain leg strength starting today. Every single food on this list is backed by intensive scientific research, tested on real seniors in clinical settings, and we've ranked them from least to most effective so you know exactly where to start. Some of these foods will absolutely surprise you, and wait until you hear about our number 3 food. It's more powerful than many medications, with studies showing it boosted lower body strength by over 36% in just a single day. Yet almost nobody is eating it regularly. Food number 8. Pumpkin seeds, your foundation for strength. Let's begin with pumpkin seeds. Now, you might not immediately think of seeds as something that builds muscle strength. But pumpkin seeds are a surprisingly powerful tool for restoring your leg strength quickly. These little powerhouses are incredibly rich in magnesium, and this essential mineral plays a major role in how your muscles contract and relax throughout the day. When your magnesium levels drop too low, your muscles start to cramp more easily, they fatigue much faster than they should, and they fail to respond properly to the nerve signals your brain sends. This leads to weakness in your legs, uncomfortable tightness, and even those scary moments when you might misstep while walking. A fascinating study published in the journal Magnesium Research found that adults over 60 with low magnesium levels had nearly double the rate of leg fatigue during simple walking tests compared to those with healthy magnesium levels. Think about that for a moment. Simply being low in one mineral can double your leg fatigue. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc and healthy fats, which work together to control inflammation and support hormonal balance. These are 2 critical areas for preserving strength as we age. The wonderful thing is, you don't need to eat huge amounts to feel the benefits. Just 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds can give your body enough magnesium to activate muscular recovery within hours. For the best results, try soaking your pumpkin seeds overnight in water. This reduces something called phytic acid and makes the minerals more available for your body to use. You can eat them raw in the morning, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Just remember to keep them unsalted. Your goal is to reduce muscle tension and refill those vital minerals your leg muscles desperately need to perform well. Food number 7. Tart cherry juice, nature's recovery drink. Moving on to our 7th food, tart cherry juice. At first glance, this might seem like just another trendy health drink, but what most people don't realize is that this beautifully sour fruit extract holds serious power when it comes to leg recovery and muscle strength, especially for older adults like us. Tart cherries are absolutely loaded with natural compounds called anthocyanins. These are powerful plant chemicals that reduce inflammation throughout your body, improve blood flow to your muscles, and help your muscles recover much faster after any kind of exertion. These same compounds also help your body clear out lactic acid more quickly. That's the chemical your body produces during movement, that causes all that stiffness and soreness you feel later. One placebo-controlled study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found something remarkable. Older adults who drank 2 servings of tart cherry juice daily experienced 23% less muscle soreness and significantly improved quadriceps strength after walking and stair climbing exercises. That's nearly a quarter less pain and noticeably stronger thighs. What makes this juice so incredibly powerful is that the benefits show up fast, usually within 8 to 12 hours. This is especially true if your legs already feel tight or achy. Remember, this isn't the same as eating a handful of fresh cherries. The juice is concentrated, meaning you're getting hundreds of cherries worth of anti-inflammatory power in just one small glass. But please be careful when shopping. Not all cherry juice is created equal. You want to look for unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice, not the cocktail versions or blended juices with added sugars. Drink about 6 to 8 ounces in the evening or after your daily activities. If the flavor is too strong for your taste, you can mix it with a little water. Food number 6. Cooked spinach, the circulation booster. Now, let's talk about cooked spinach. This dark leafy green might seem quite ordinary, but when it comes to rebuilding leg strength quickly, cooked spinach works like an absolute nutrient powerhouse. The reason it's so effective goes beyond just being high in iron or calcium. Spinach is remarkably rich in nitrates, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are absolutely essential for proper muscle contraction, oxygen flow throughout your legs, and that crucial nerve-to-muscle communication that keeps you balanced and steady. When you cook spinach, something wonderful happens. The heat and moisture help break down compounds called oxalates that normally block mineral absorption. This means your body gets much more of the good stuff delivered right where it's needed most. Your hard-working leg muscles. One study from Frontiers in Physiology discovered that older adults who consumed high-nitrate vegetables like spinach daily had up to 16% stronger, lower limb performance than those who didn't. Another study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, showed that just 1 serving of cooked spinach led to measurable improvements in walking speed and leg endurance in as little as 12 hours, especially in adults over 65. This happens because the nitrates in spinach are converted into something called nitric oxide in your bloodstream. This remarkable gas actually widens your blood vessels, dramatically improving circulation to your legs and feet. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your leg muscles, leading to faster recovery, better coordination, and significantly less fatigue when you move. To get the most benefit, cook fresh spinach in a little olive oil with some garlic or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Please avoid boiling it for too long, as that can cause you to lose those precious nutrients. Light sautéing or gentle steaming works best. Add it to your eggs, mix it into soups, or simply enjoy it warm as a side dish. Food number 5. Lentils, the endurance builder. Lentils might not be the most exciting food to talk about, but when it comes to rebuilding leg strength, especially in aging muscles, they offer something that most other foods simply cannot provide. They deliver a perfect combination of high-quality protein, slow-releasing carbohydrates, and essential minerals, all packed into one tiny, affordable seed. Your leg muscles need protein to recover and rebuild, but they also need a steady stream of energy and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron to function properly throughout the day. Lentils deliver all 3 in perfect harmony. What makes them even more effective is that they digest slowly. This means your body receives a steady fuel supply over several hours, which is especially important for preventing that awful leg fatigue you might experience during walking, standing, or climbing stairs. A clinical trial, published in the Journal of Gerontology, found that seniors who ate lentils daily for just 2 weeks experienced a 22% improvement in muscle endurance during leg-based tasks compared to those who consumed refined carbohydrates. The researchers noted better muscle response time, fewer complaints of soreness, and notably improved balance during prolonged standing tests. To get the most benefit, cook dried lentils until they're soft and tender, adding anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric, garlic, or a splash of fresh lemon juice. Please avoid the canned versions that often contain added salt or preservatives. Serve them warm with cooked vegetables. Add them to hearty soups, or blend them into a savory, comforting mash. Food number 4. Salmon, the complete recovery package. Salmon isn't just wonderful for your heart health. It's one of the most powerful foods you can eat to restore muscle strength in your legs as you age. What sets salmon apart from other protein sources is its rare and remarkable nutritional combination. It's packed with high-quality protein that your muscles crave, anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation, and vitamin D that many seniors are deficient in. All of these nutrients directly impact how your leg muscles perform and recover. Your muscle fibers don't just need protein to grow stronger. They need the right kind of healthy fat to reduce the inflammation that slows recovery, and they absolutely need vitamin D to absorb calcium properly and function at their best. Salmon delivers all three in one delicious package. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who ate salmon 3 times per week showed a 24% increase in leg strength and mobility within just 10 days. The improvements were especially noticeable in the muscles surrounding the knees and thighs. That rapid change was linked to a reduction in inflammation within the muscles and an increase in muscle protein synthesis after meals. To prepare salmon for the best results, choose wild-caught over farm-raised whenever possible. Bake or grill it with a drizzle of olive oil, fresh herbs, and lemon. Please avoid frying or using sugary glazes that can undo the benefits. Even a 4-ounce serving at dinner can dramatically improve how your legs feel by the next morning. Food number 3. Quinoa, the plant protein powerhouse. Quinoa is truly one of the most underrated muscle rebuilding foods available, especially for older adults who want stronger legs without relying solely on animal protein. Though it's often called a grain, quinoa is actually a seed, and here's what makes it extraordinary. It's one of the only plant foods on Earth that contains all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and growth. This is extremely rare in the plant world. Most plant-based foods are missing 1 or 2 of these crucial amino acids, but quinoa delivers the complete package, making it what nutritionists call a complete protein. What makes this especially helpful for leg strength is how efficiently it supports muscle regeneration while also delivering magnesium, potassium, iron, and vitamin E. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that adults who replaced refined carbohydrates with quinoa saw improved muscle endurance and reduced soreness after just 1 day of physical activity. Another fascinating study from Brazil showed that seniors who consumed quinoa at lunch had significantly better walking test results the next morning compared to those who ate rice or white bread. To prepare quinoa for maximum benefit, rinse it thoroughly before cooking to remove bitter compounds called saponins. Then simmer it in water or low-sodium broth until it's fluffy and tender. You can mix it with cooked vegetables, use it as a satisfying side dish, or even add it to a breakfast bowl with eggs and spinach. Food number 2. Beets, the circulation miracle. Beets are not just colorful vegetables that make your plate look pretty. They are circulation-boosting machines that can completely transform how your leg muscles feel and function in just a few hours. What makes beets so incredibly effective is their extremely high natural nitrate content. When you eat beets, your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide, a remarkable molecule that widens your blood vessels and dramatically improves oxygen delivery to your muscles. Poor blood flow is a major reason seniors feel heaviness, stiffness, or weakness in their legs. By restoring proper circulation, beets help flood your muscles with the oxygen and nutrients they desperately need to contract, recover, and perform at their best. A groundbreaking study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that seniors who consumed beet juice before walking experienced a 19% improvement in walking speed and leg muscle performance within just a few hours. Another study published in Hypertension found that one daily dose of beet juice significantly lowered blood pressure and improved arterial flexibility in people over 60. To get these remarkable benefits, you don't have to eat beets raw. Roast them in the oven until tender, steam them gently, or blend them into a delicious smoothie with other fruits. For the fastest results, try pure beetroot juice, unsweetened and undiluted. Drink a small glass in the morning or about 60 minutes before physical activity. Food number 1. Bone broth, the ultimate recovery tool. When it comes to restoring leg strength quickly and effectively, nothing compares to the power of bone broth. This isn't just ordinary soup. It's a concentrated, nutrient-dense liquid absolutely packed with amino acids, collagen, gelatin, electrolytes, and anti-inflammatory compounds that flood your muscles, joints, and connective tissues with exactly what they need to repair and strengthen. Bone broth works at the cellular level to rebuild muscle fibers and lubricate stiff joints. The collagen in bone broth forms the structural matrix of your muscle tissue, while amino acids like glycine and proline help reduce inflammation, support repair, and improve mobility throughout your legs. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition and Metabolism showed that adults who consumed collagen-rich bone broth experienced a 36% increase in muscle strength and flexibility within just 1 week, with measurable improvements in leg function and soreness reduction in as little as 24 hours. To make bone broth most effective, use homemade or high-quality store-bought versions made from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken bones. Simmer it for at least 12 hours with apple cider vinegar, garlic, and herbs to extract the maximum nutrients. Drink it warm on an empty stomach in the morning or after activity for best results. You've just discovered 8 powerful foods that don't just support leg strength over time. They start working in as little as 12 hours. From the magnesium-rich calm of pumpkin seeds, to the inflammation-busting power of tart cherry juice, to the blood flow boost of beets, and finally the collagen-charged recovery from bone broth, each food works on a different piece of the puzzle. Remember, leg weakness isn't always about age. In many cases, it's a nutrition problem, a circulation problem, or a recovery problem. When you fix these issues quickly with the right foods, your legs respond beautifully. You'll walk stronger, feel lighter, and gain the confidence to move without fear. It all starts with what you put on your plate today. Your challenge is simple. Choose just one of these 8 foods and try it today. Notice how your legs feel tomorrow morning. You'll likely experience less stiffness, better balance, and more control. Then try another. Build your recovery one delicious bite at a time. Your legs are your foundation for independence. Feed them right, and they'll carry you further than you ever thought possible.